Guys, I'm making some cornmeal dumpling with some Irish and some curry chicken, guys. So stay tuned, guys, as I'm cooking with me, alright? So this is my dough. She's on the phone, see. So this is how I make my dumpling, guys. I literally fold it in just like this, and I fold it into a round, then I roll it, and then I press. That's it, guys. It's pretty easy. So guys, as easy as that, okay? Just gonna add my dumplings in. Beautiful, guys. So now I'm gonna add my Irish in. Gonna cover this and let it boil. Let me give it a stir. Yes, guys, I let that boil. Then I'm gonna make my curry chicken. I'm just using half of the pepper, guys. Not sure if it's spicy or so come with me. I'm gonna burn my curry. So what I'll be doing is parch it a bit, and then I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. Now my curry is burning. So now I'm gonna add some vegetable oil to this. Not a lot. That's good enough. So now my curry is literally getting dark. So this will be good for it. So now I'll add the chicken in. What I'm doing is in the chicken from the seasoning, or what would you say, the vegetables. So separate it from my carrots and my Irish and the other seasoning that's inside. I just want to add this seasoning into the pot. Guys, my camera was off, so I just added the chickpeas, and you know it worked well with the curry. And then I add some liquid to the pot, put a scotch pepper in. So I'm just gonna cover this and let this come down nicely to gravy. I don't want it to be long because the chicken already cooked. So stay tuned, guys, and you'll see the end result after. That's my cut, guys. Very, very nice. It's beautiful. See? So I'm gonna turn this off. And then dinner is served. So I'll be making a plate, guys, for you to see. Oh, what's that guy? Three dumpling. Three dumpling, good guys. With a piece of Irish. Yes, guys, and this is the finished product. So I'm gonna dig in and let you know. Chickpeas and Irish. Guys, this is beautiful. Chicken. This is well done, guys. I'm gonna try the dumpling. And guys, this is cornmeal dumpling. Very hot. This is good, guys. So guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please to do so. Please to subscribe to my channel, guys, and enjoy. One J for Vibes TV, boom bang. Guys, you guys need to try this. It's curry chicken with chickpeas. Yes, guys, and some cornmeal dumpling with a piece of Irish potato. And on that note, I'm out.